I'm Brendan and this is my IPA 2 video demo. So I've implemented a lens distortion simulator as a post-processing shader applied to each eye camera. So starting in the undistorted mode, as you can see the grid is perfectly straight with no distortion applied. So switching to the distorted mode, it applies a barrel distortion using the radial model R prime equals to R times 1 plus K1 R square plus K2 R to the fourth. So you can see the grid lines bow outwards. And also, I also implemented the slider for K1 and K2 coefficient. So previously, these coefficients are hard-coded in the shader. I exposed them as adjustable uniforms. So by dragging the K1 and K2, it changes the distortion strength in real time. Yeah. So next, I'll switch to the pre-corrected mode. So this pre-corrected mode applies the inverse pin cushion distortion. This is what a real HMD renderer would pre-apply so that the lens distortion cancels it out, giving the user a correct image. As you can see, the grid lines bow inwards, so it does the inverse of the distortion. Yeah, I've also implemented a chromatic aberration. So each color channel is sampled at a slightly different UV position, simulating how real lenses bend wavelengths differently. So by tuning up the K1 and K2 coefficient, it will further enhance the chromatic aberration effect. So you can see that the edge of the grid will show the color fringing. Yeah, as you can see here and here. Yeah, I've also implemented the vignette feature, which darkens the edges radially, simulating the light fall off at the peripheral of a lens. So with that, that's the end of my video demo. Thank you.